Hey, what's going on, guys? Let's do this problem right here. So first of all, let's deal with this one. So we have integral 0 to 1 xcx dx. So in this case, which one works? Which method works? If you try u substitution, it's going to be same thing, right? U e power u du. So it doesn't change anything. So here we have to do the integration by parts. So let's take u as x value for u, and dv is going to be whatever is remaining. That's going to be e power x dx. So here du is going to be basically dx. Then v is going to be e power x, right? So let's put it in this formula. Integral u v is equal to uh, u integral v u dv is equal to uv minus v du, right? This is the equation. So let's plug all this right here. So u is x and v is e power x minus integral v is e power x and du is dx. So e power x dx, and if I integrate this one, it's going to be e power x e power x minus, so e power x dx is going to be same thing like this, right? If I integrate this one, I get this one. So it's going to be e power x, and this is going from 0 to 1. So this is going to be 0 to 1, and let's substitute all the values. So here we are going to have, if I substitute 1 first, this is going to be 1 e power 1 minus e power 1, and if I substitute 0, we will get, so this is going to be minus right here. So it's 0 times e power 0 minus e power 0. So 1 times, so if you subtract e power 1 minus e power 1, that's going to be 0. And here 0 multiplied by e power 0, that's going to be 0. And e power 0, any number to the power 0 is going to be 1. So here we are going to get 1. Then we only have negative 1 remaining. So here the minus, that's going to be plus. So the final answer is plus 1. So let's do this one right here. So here we have integral 1 to 2 4x e power x square dx. And if you see e power x square, so we have x square and x. So we have the derivative of x square, right? So we can do the u substitution. So let's pick u as x square, and derivative of this one is going to be 2x dx, right? But we are trying to replace, we have taken care of this x square already. We can substitute u for this value, but we had to do something about this 4x dx. But we have 2x dx. So what we can do is we can multiply both sides by 2 to make this one 4x dx. So let's multiply both sides by 2. So if we multiply both sides by 2, we will get 2 du is equal to 4x dx. Now I can write everything in terms of u. So let's write everything in terms of u. So this is going to be 1, 2, oh wait a minute. So this is a new integral, right? So new integral, so we have to find the new limits of integration. So if I apply 1 for x value, what's going to happen? That's going to be 1. So with this is going to be 1. But this one, if you substitute 2 for x value, it's going to be 2 square. So that's equal to 4. Therefore, the limit of integral is going to be 1 to 4. So this is our new limits of integral, and let's write everything in terms of u. So now we have e power u, and in terms of 4x dx, we can replace it with 2 du. Since 2 is a constant, we can bring it to the front. So this is going to be 2 integral 1 to 4 e power u du. Now this one is easy to integrate, so let's do the integration. So this is going to be integral of e power u is going to be e power u. So we can write e power u, and it's going from 1 to 4. So let's substitute the values. So 2 e power 4 minus 2 e power 1. and that is the final answer. You can finally write 2e power 4 minus 2e, so that is same as this. And that's how you do these kind of problems. I hope you guys like this video. See you next time.